Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the voicemail on your Android phone. The first option you have, and I'm going to walk you through 3 different options, is to tap on the phone app here. Open up the phone app and tap on keypad at the bottom left. You can always call your visual voicemail or call your voicemail for your provider by pressing and holding the number 1. You can see under it is a voicemail icon. Press and hold on 1, and you can see it will call your voicemail. When it does call your voicemail, it might ask you or prompt you for that password. Just enter it in to check your voicemail or change the greeting. Another option you have is to get into the settings. Tap on the 3 dots at the top right. Tap on Settings at the bottom. Scroll down, find Voicemail, and tap on that. You can see Service Provider, your carrier, your voicemail number, which should be your phone number, notifications, etc. if you have all of those turned on. You can also choose to set up and use visual voicemail. To be able to do that, hop out of the phone app and then take your finger and swipe up. In the search bar, search for visual. Tap on visual voicemail. Initially, it will say set up visual voicemail, and you can see the information about what it does. Tap set up visual voicemail. If you do have a phone number that allows this to be activated, in my case I don't, it will allow you then to set up that visual voicemail so that you'll be able to see the transcripts of those voicemails and also listen to them as well. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions.